Hey everybody, welcome to Shine's Room. Today is September 27th. I'm going to do a quick market recap. If you take a look onto my screen in a minute, today was another action-packed day. Market as high as about 300 points higher, and also with a huge pull-in towards the end of the day. For me, if you see, I added on another $3,000 up here of P&L profit for today. So it's going on a couple days of multiple $1,000 days, and I try to add on day after day to what I'm doing and try to be as aggressive as possible. Take a look at my screen. Some of the names that I traded. Best name of the day was NAK. Second, LCC. Also, get down here to United Airlines and Delta Airlines, which is the area I wanted to speak about for a second today. We identified in a market that was up 300 points, we identified the weakest names. The weakest names for me were the airline names. They were called out early, they were posted on early in the Shine's live trading broadcast. We identified that oil was up today in a big way. And we looked at these as some of the weaker names out there. Why? Because they were negative on the day. They were trending lower. So what I do, I hopped in on a short. I shorted some United Airlines, which is the leader in the space, some Delta Airlines, some LCC. I took a couple thousand shares, and I ended up making probably almost $1,000 on those names. So the reason why those were the best trade for me today was because I identified it. I used some of the information that I groomed from the community, that I grabbed, that I heard out there, and I took advantage of it. I actually did the trade. I put on a tight stop. I was negative on the airlines for myself. I put on the trade, and I accomplished what my goal was. Obviously, there was more money to be made out there on those names. One last part about the weak airline names, of course, you get a United Airlines UAL that was down, I don't know, 1.5%, 2%, with the market up 300 points. What happens when the market pulls in? Which ones go lower first? The weak ones. United Airlines down 4.5%, 5% at the end of the day. So as we always talk about, I short the weak ones. When the market's going to pull in, when the market pulls in, these things end up going further. At least for me, that's my philosophy. It's what I've always traded with. It's what makes me one of the most consistent traders on Wall Street. We'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m.